You're in Rio for a few days and you happen to be staying in Ipanema. You wake up early and you really want to start your day on a high. You need to fuel yourself, right? And what better way than to have your first meal? I first discovered this spot as it was just at the corner of the Airbnb where I was staying. This place is called Baked. However, locals pronounce it as Baked. Baked? Like naked. Baked. It's at the corner of Rua Visconde de Praja and Rua Fame do Amodo. Today, I purposely came in late because the times that I did come early, the place was really packed. People just coming from their walks at the beach or from exercise or on their way to work, grabbing a quick bite. This place has a lot to offer at reasonable prices, which explains the crowds in the morning. I wish I filmed that for you, but no. I learned from a casual conversation with a local one of the mornings I was here that this place really became popular when someone posted about it on TikTok. The place has been very busy ever since. Check out their menu. You'll find the popular avo toast for only 29 reais. That's really affordable. There's a good selection of sandwiches and wraps as well. You'll also see that they offer a variety of coffees, juices, cakes and other pastries. I'm having a cold brew this morning, about 14 years. The card you see at the table, card right there, is how they track your order. Today I drew number 207. You present this card at the cashier to pay before you leave the restaurant. What you're seeing here now is my order of scrambled eggs on chocopan or milk bread. This was really tasty, about 24 reais. You'll see that under the scrambled eggs is a generous serving of avocados, healthy balance of protein and good fat. You can start the day for your breakfast. Relatively inexpensive breakfast, really. 38 reais for about $7.20. Oh, and you don't have to tip here. Yep, not a tipping culture in Brazil. Walked up to the counter where you see a selection of pastries which you can order to eat in or take away. I got a pão de queijo or pão de queijo, local cheese bread. Very tasty, or as they say here, bastante saboroso. On another day, I ordered an omelette that was really filling. Another time I had this quiche. But my all-time favorite is this club sandwich. I wish I'd filmed that for you, but here's a picture. Anytime I see club sandwich on the menu, I'd have to order it if I hadn't had it before. from that place. I had a boss who always used to order batatas fritas when he saw it on a menu. You like that? Anybody of you like that? Yeah, so once you're done with your meal, just take the card to the counter and they will run up your bill. Don't miss out on having at least one of your breakfasts here at Baked, or if you want to sound like a local, Bake It.